what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. I hope you guys enjoyed that quick rundown of me removing the door card and the mirror, because today we are installing the hybrid side mirrors onto the Civic. I do have a lot of you guys requesting this install video as well as a tutorial on how I wired the mirrors onto the car. So I hope this video will help you guys out, and if it did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up, share this with your family and friends, and subscribe to the channel. It will definitely help me out. Before I show you guys the wiring, I do want to mention a few things. First off, this project is super easy to do. I think it just seems intimidating because you are cutting and splicing into wires, but there are only two main wires that you really have to focus on, which is the two wires that powers the signal light on the mirrors. Second, if I was to go back and redo this, I wouldn't have cut into either harness. I realized that I could have just unpinned the wires from the hybrid connector and repinned it onto the non-hybrid connector and just cut the signal wires. But I realized too late, I already cut it, so it is what it is. It'll work either way. And the third thing is that the pair of hybrid side mirrors that I have does come with the heated option, so I do have two extra wires. The ones that you have may not come with the heated option, so if that's the case, then you will only see the 5 wires that we will be working on in this video, which is the 3 main wires to power the mirror and the 2 wires to power the signal. But yeah, besides that, I think that's pretty much it. So let's go ahead and show you guys how I got this wired onto the Civic. Alright guys, so here are the Honda Civic hybrid side mirrors. Don't mind that piece, I just took that off to get it repainted. But as you can see here, we got the blinker going on the side mirror. And here's the driver's side. And this is the regular Civics. This is the non-hybrid. As you can see, there's 3 wires. You got the yellow-white, yellow-red, and the yellow-black. These are the main wires to power your mirror. And this is the hybrid harness. As you can see, it uses the same 3 wires as the non-hybrid. Alright, so these 3 on your hybrid harness is to power your mirror. The dark purple and the light purple are for your signal light. For my pair of hybrid side mirrors, they did come with heated mirrors. That's why you see these 2 extra wires, these 2 black wires. Those are for the heated mirrors. But today I'm just gonna focus on getting the power wired and the signal light to work. So for the passenger side, we got the same 3 wires, but it's just color coded different. As you see, we got yellow and white. It looks like that's blue and green and blue and black. Again, these 3 are the wires to power your mirrors. And for the hybrid, same exact thing. These 3 right here, yellow white, blue green, and blue black, is to power your mirrors. You got the dark purple and the light purple to power your signal light. And the light purple is the positive, so you'll want to tap that into your signal light. And the dark purple is the negative, which you want to ground somewhere on your car. I didn't want to cut to the actual harness that goes to the side mirrors for the Civic. So what I did was I went to the junkyard and grabbed 2 extra pairs. If you guys don't want to cut into you guys' wires, I highly suggest doing this. That way you guys could keep these in one piece. Alright guys, let's go ahead and get these spliced up and get these connected. Alright, so I just finished up wiring both of the hybrid mirrors. As you can see, this is the passenger side and this is the driver's side. Again, it's very easy. You cannot mess this up. Just pretty much match the color back onto the non-hybrid mirrors. And as you can see here, I left these 2 purple wires exposed because these 2 purple wires are the wires to power your signal light. Alright guys, so this is the final product. This is the passenger side. I did go back through and tidy it all up and everything is working. As you can see, this is the harness. That's where I spliced it. And these are the wires that powers the mirror. Going down here, these are the 2 wires that powers the signal light. As you can see, I got the dark purple, which is the negative, running up here and grounded it up here. And the light purple, that's the power. I ran it through and extend the wire down here and into the fender well, and then I tapped it into front signal light up there. So yeah, pretty straightforward. Everything came out great. So let's go take a look at the driver's side, and then I'll show you guys the finished product. Alright, so this is the driver's side. As you can see, that's where I spliced it. The dark purple is the negative, and I grounded it up here. Light purple is the power, and I ran the wire through here and up to the front turn signal. Yeah, everything works, so I'm pretty excited. These are the 2 wires for the heated mirrors, but I'm not trying to wire that in tonight, so I'm just gonna leave it taped off for now. But yeah, that's how you wire a pair of hybrid mirrors on a non-hybrid. And overall, this is a pretty easy install. Alright guys, that's gonna wrap it up here. Thank you guys for watching again. If you guys enjoyed it, make sure to hit that like button, comment, and subscribe. Until then guys, I'll catch you guys in the next one, and remember to always stay lurking. Peace.